Hello to everyone. In this opportunity we're gonna show you how to convert from RGB space color representation towards grayscale color representation using RGB programming language. In order to begin, click here and inside the folder create a new file, call it RGB to grayscale.rb. Enter. Now we're gonna show you how to edit the file and write the code. In order to begin, define a method, def method name equals to RGB to grayscale, and now we have to define some inputs, that is red value, green value, and finally blue value. Now we have to check if red less than 0 or green less than 0 or blue less than 0. In that case we have to interrupt the program, that is return -1 and finally end. Similarly, if red component is greater than 1 or green is greater than 0 or blue is greater than 1, not 0, here is greater than 1, return -1 and end. In another cases, return 0.299 times red plus 0.507 times green plus 0.114 times blue. In order to check the program, put grayscale equals to hashtag curly braces RGB to grayscale and enter some inputs, that is 0.5, 0.42 and finally 0.01. Okay, click and save, close all but dist, minimize this window, open all the programs, accessories, command line, clear the screen, cd c:/pdi, clear screen, ruby -run RGB to grayscale.rb. Okay, grayscale, we have to check the real name, RGB to grayscale, this is the real name, not 2. Instead of 2 as number, enter 2 as preposition. Enter grayscale equals to 0.3 9717999 and so on. Clear screen. Change the input values by 036099 and finally 0.1 and 2. Okay, click and save, minimize the window, restart, compile again or interpret the script again. Robbie dash run RGB to grayscale dot RB. The grayscale value is equals to 0.7024499 and so on. Okay, CLS, that is clear screen, type exit and finally close the script. Sayonara and thanks a lot for watching.